fixing the shoe.
Fixing the shoes?
I don't even know. It's like I see like vloggers do it, where they're like the high heels and then they're like fixing the shoes like a pose.
It's just like depending on the days and the conversations you have before.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm like, yeah, the communication is completely blocked right now. And I'm just trying to focus on it.
Yeah, that's it. Look what you're doing now. It's fine, right? So,
Yeah.
like,
Even though he
a little bit
fucking
worse.
sent me a message about it, being like, you're just sticking that out. Bro, I'm not the first person to do this. I think I told him that already.
You know it's bad. It's just
Oh, that's cool.
it's a lot of shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really neat.
Oh, love,
Yeah, yeah,
love,
oh,
love,
cool.
love, love. Sorry.
That's fucking sick.
And look, kind of just tilt your head back, like go back and then kind of look like this at him. Yes, yes.
I need a second. It's just writing because we got they're like long files.
When we get this reflector for you guys.
Does it actually work? I've never used a reflector.
I think so.
Yeah, so arch your neck and back more. Yeah, get really good at that.
And look at you or look away?
I like looking up. Okay, now try looking at me, turning your head, like
Those
staying in that
heels are
position,
nice.
but turning your head towards me.
Look at the wind. Ah, the wind! Oh my god! Still, stay there, stay there.
Cool, and now try like kind of like leaning on it and putting your hand on this, like, kind of like,
Just go back, so I don't nails Flip your hair over the other way, towards the outside. Yeah.
kind of like when you were like clocking your head sideways and your hair was falling over the edge there. Yeah, like that.
I don't even think it's working. I'll just hold it
Well, it
down.
just depends on the angle, where
Yeah.
it's coming from. It's not like this way, that's where we're going.
Hurt your lips a bit?
Okay, just have fun with it. I'm just gonna try like some different angles.
Big slay. Kisses to the hairs.
Okay, cool. I'm fucking cold.
Get inside.
Yeah, you.
Unless you're not down with
you
it.
must be- yeah.